and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Quickly showing you my lunch. I'm also watching Aaron. Yep. And then no side salad. I will not be eating those. No, thank you. Yeah. Hey guys. So I just came here to get what I assume this is the gift for Link. And then I got something I didn't know was coming. So I got a little letter in my P.O. box from Kristen, and it's a cute little card, and it says, "That was no little thing you did. I hope you enjoy your goodie box. Just wanted to send you some goodies. I hope you enjoy. You deserve to be spoiled as well. You are doing a great job being a hardworking single mom. You rock." And you deserve a great big thank you. Thank you for doing your channel. I just love it, Kristen. Thank you, Kristen. I had no idea. And then there's a package. I had literally no idea. And that's just something that I kind of needed to hear today. So I appreciate that. So there's this big box and it says, "Thank you for all of your encouragement. I love you. I love watching you. You are awesome." Why are you gonna make me cry? Oh my God, I am getting teary-eyed. It's just been a day, guys. It's always hard when you're not feeling well and then you have whatever happened at work today and oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, what is all of this? Ooh, okay, so the first thing that I pull out is a recipe book, which is super cool because I keep this tiny little, I wonder if I can get it out of my purse. Anyways, I keep a tiny little just notepad in my purse of recipes that I write down, and I like this because now I actually have something, tabs and all. Thank you. I see keto chow. Woo! Okay, I see chocolates, root beer, savory chicken soup. I've not tried that yet. I should have had that yesterday. Ooh, I love this one. Pumpkin spice. Eggnog, another one of my favorites. I think there's another one. Ooh yeah, there's another one. Banana. Then there is a Shower Fizzies 4-pack eucalyptus and spearmint. So I think these are like bath bombs. Ooh, but Shower Fizzies, you're supposed to use them in the shower? Yes, you are. Oh. Okay. I might use this tonight. Thank you. Then there is 3 triple masking kit. Oh, who's calling me? Then there is a ultra hydrating mud mask. I've never done a mud mask. I think I'm gonna do a mud mask tonight. I've never done one. Is that weird? Then there is this little wine glass. Oh my gosh. A little what is the scent? Warm maple syrup candle. Oh my gosh, I gotta smell that. Let's set you guys down for a second. Oh my gosh, that smells good. Woo, that smells good. I don't want to have this in my way. There's more in here, you guys. There is more. Today is a good day to have a great day. Coasters. I love coasters, and I was thinking to myself, I need to buy new coasters for like after the holidays because I bought Halloween ones, and so I got myself a coaster. Then there are some zero, I love this little gift box. There are some zero sugar snapping green apple. I've never had these before, and I can drink them out of this. And then raspberry lemonade drink enhancer. I absolutely love these. If I can drink it all before my kids do. Some witch socks. If you want to know a random fact about me, I absolutely love socks. I have a lot of socks, and not just a lot of socks, but I have an obsession with the brand new socks. So like if Chris gets brand new socks, I love putting them on. Oh, there was another one of these. So thank you for those socks. I love them. And that, what? Twinkies? Twinkies coffee, caramel apple pie, another caramel apple pie, mint chocolate. Ooh, that sounds really good. Ding dong. And milk chocolate caramel. Oh my gosh, there's another one. Maple brown sugar. Ooh, those are interesting. And then there's one other thing here in this super adorable little avocado bag. Let me clear my lab. This is so nice of you, Kristen. Wow, okay. What's in here? Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, inside the little avocado bag are 2 of the keto bars. These are the chocolate covered strawberry that they did in collaboration with Keto Connect. As you can see, the little icon right there. So there's 2 of those. And then there are 2 of the dark chocolate coconut almond. I love keto bars. And then 1 of the mint chocolate. And that's not it. Then there are these Cupcake Bites gourmet sugar-free gum. I've had this and it is good. And it literally tastes like a cupcake. These are good. And then some Duke's Shorty sausages. Who's calling me? Some Duke's Shorty sausages. I'm gonna eat these right now actually because I am hungry. Thank you so much. This was so amazing of you. And you know, every time I'm having a really bad day, like one of you somehow send me like a message or an email or something in my P.O. box or just something. It never fails. I'm having a bad day and I always end up hearing from one of you, and you guys do something so amazing or say something so amazing that just really kind of puts things in perspective for me and then just makes me feel so much better. So I appreciate it and thank you so much. And I'm wearing my bone shirt today, if anybody, I'll show you more later, but ooh, I got a little bit teary-eyed. I'm gonna wait for the other box because I'm pretty positive that is Link's present from somebody, and I will let Link open that because it is his. So Kristen, I appreciate it so much. I really do. Thank you so much. Right, Linky, you got a package, buddy. You get a package. I really hope this is his package. Tiffany's gonna open it for Link. This is from Sashka Co. They asked if they could send something for Link. I said, sure.
This is Linky's. Because if this isn't Linky's, it's Linky's! It's Linky's!
What's in your puppy? Is it finally something for Linky? A box that's for Linky?
Okay, let's start with the first one.
Oh, he's trying to take it already. Oh,
Okay,
he's
let's try
so
it.
happy, buddy.
Let's try this one.
Look at his face. He's like, yes, I like it.
Which one's
Yes.
your favorite first?
Yes, I like it.
So you're gonna try this one first, I presume.
He's
That
so
was a snort.
happy.
You snorted.
You snorted.
Oh!
Make him sit. Make him sit.
Sit.
Sit down.
Sit.
Good boy.
Motion. He's like, is that what do you like it?
What is this flavor?
Okay. This one is soft savories with beef and cheddar.
Ooh.
Not very soft to me.
He's like, I'm out of here. But you have more. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's a lot. There's 2 notes. There's 4 items, I think. 1, 2, 3.
I hope Link enjoys these items as much as my girl
There's
does.
more!
He's like, yes.
This is chicken and yogurt.
Ooh.
Interesting.
Are you sitting?
Okay.
Sit down, you
If I
silly
can get
boy.
this open today.
My kitchen is so messy, like I need to sweep and mop still.
Ready? Sit. 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 Sit.
Big
This
good
one you're going
boy.
to speak. Speak. That's good enough.
He likes these. I don't get him acting like these over.
Peanut butter and banana.
Ooh, I think he'll like that one.
Favorite.
You're lucky right now. Look at all the treats you get. You get 4 treats.
Okay, Winky loves peanut butter. It's his favorite out of everything. Oh, almost.
He can barely contain himself. He's like,
All right. Okay. Sit. Sit. You want to speak again? Speak. 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 Okay, that's good. Okay, Winky, last one. This was a big one.
ooh, that one will last. That's a nice jerky.
This is, I think this is the same brand as his bacon.
No,
Are you sure?
no,
Well,
it's not.
I can tell you is he loves his bacon and it's yellow, so that's good. Dodgers are so hard to open.
He's really trying to get
His bone is just pressure. Oh, whoa! Can I give it to you? Okay.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Sit
Hey,
down.
sit down. He really
This
likes
one
this
looks
one.
good.
What do you got, Pop?
You gonna like it? You like it?
Jeez, he ate it.
He's waiting for
That's
more.
it. That's enough. That's
probably
4
thinks
treats.
more.
That's 4 treats.
Good
That's
boy.
4 treats. Say thank you.
excited.
Link, say thank you. You so happy?
That's his way of saying thank you.
Aw, thank you so much for sending him these treats. These are some really nice treats.
He loves these ones.
He's lucky he got 4 treats. Thank you so much, Sashka Keto.
I thought someone would just like.
Update time. We just left the doctor. She had to be seen. We finally got to talk about her weird like hives and reactions to like the water and things like that, and about the temperature. So I know you guys know about her hives, and I know a lot of people have continuously asked me like, what's the update with that when you never heard anything else about it, because we were waiting to see the doctor again. So the doctor says that she sounds like she has I already forgot how to say it, Raynaud's, the oncoming of Raynaud's. It's a blood vessel disorder, usually in fingers and toes. It's not dangerous. It can just be frustrating and sometimes painful. Basically, whenever she touches like cold things,
It's like whenever there's a serious temperature change.
yeah, so when her fingertips get like really big and hot and like red, it's just with the blood vessels. So that's that.
It's gonna get worse.
It may not.
It's gonna get worse.
But she said it's not a big deal.
I know, but she said it could turn like blue.
They could, yeah. But she said if she touches like, some people have issues with being in the cold and stuff, and like you can get frostbite easier. I don't know. But that's just what she said. I'll have to do more research on it, but she said it wasn't threatening or anything like that, and it's just a thing, and that's what it is. So this is awkward now. I don't know what else to say, so bye.
Gotta go to Walgreens.
All right guys, this is dinner. I have about 4 slices of sliced pepperoni from the deli and 4 slices of sliced salami from the deli, and then 3 slices of pepper jack cheese on 2 pieces of sole bread with some mayo and mustard, and then some romaine with half a tomato, less than half of a cucumber, half of an avocado, salt, pepper, flaxseed, hemp seed, and about 2.5, no, that's about two tablespoons of ranch, maybe 2.5. I'll say it's 2.5, just for funsies. I'm hungry. I'm also gonna wash it down with a Diet Dr. Pepper. This is my meal. I was gonna do Kids Cook Keto tonight, but decided against it. We're just late coming in after the doctor. So I'm gonna eat my dinner. I'm going to start editing this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.